Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making heart-shaped sugar cookies. For our ingredients, we have unsalted butter, white sugar, vanilla extract, almond extract, eggs, baking powder, salt, and all-purpose flour for our recipe. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In our mixing bowl, we're going to add our sugar and our butter. You want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. Here we're going to cream together our sugar and our butter for about 3 minutes, at least 3 minutes. Now here we're going to beat in our egg. And now we're going to add in our extracts. Here is our almond extract. And that's about a half a teaspoon of almond extract. And then we're going to add in our vanilla extract, which is about a teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. We're going to let that mix in our mixture together for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want to make sure that everything is combined. Now in a separate bowl, you want to combine your baking powder and your salt with your flour. So you want to make sure that all that is combined. And then you want to add a little bit of your flour at a time. So here I'm showing you that I'm adding my flour in a little bit, and then I'm going to stick my paddle back on, and we're going to mix that. We're going to make sure that is incorporated. And then we're going to add some more of our flour, and then we're going to add the last little bit of the flour into our mixer. Your dough should pull away from the sides of your mixer, as you can see here in the video. Once the dough pulls away from the side of the mixer, that means that your dough is ready. So here I'm taking my dough out of my mixer. This is perfect. And I'm going to show you. See how soft it is and pliable? That's how you want it. You don't want to chill your dough. You want to divide it into workable batches. So we're going to roll it out onto our work surface. And here we're just cutting out our hearts. My dough is a little bit soft, but this is how I like my dough. So here, if it's a little bit too hard, you could just use a spatula or a scraper. And as you can see, I'm demonstrating here. And here are my sugar hearts. You want your cookies to be kind of on the thicker side, closer to about 1/4 inch rather than 1/8 of an inch. That just make it a little bit easier to deal with and hold its shape. Then you want to bake it at 350 degrees, anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes. Then you want to let your cookies cool on your cookie sheet, and then you want to transfer them to a cookie rack. And here we have made heart-shaped sugar cookies. We did decorate our cookies. In our next video, if you want to see how we decorated them, I will have a video up after this. And I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.